Welcome, and thank you for joining us in this course. Venture into the easiest program you will ever find to bring you, your team, and your company to the next level of success. This program will transform your leadership skills into a simple, organized structure that can be repeated time and time again. Just 5 steps to the ultimate goals of growth and leadership. You'll take a trip through time as we reconstruct the Memorial Bridge. What? How does that relate to leadership? Soon you will see as we build our leadership skills from the ground up. Enjoy the ride.